Your quest to find your second home in Plymouth ends with this amazing student accommodation that goes by the name Mary Parker House. Mary Parker House has a range of stylish en-suites, perfect for those who want to share a flat with their friends, and stunning studios for those who prefer living independently. The rooms come with a warm bed, a cozy study space, private bathroom, and plenty of storage, helping you feel at home in no time. The kitchens and living spaces are fully fitted with quality appliances, aiding you and your flatmates cook delicious meals together with ease. Catch up with your mates after lectures in communal spaces, like a lounge that is equipped with a TV and comfortable sofas, or challenge your friends to a game of pool in the games room. Whenever you feel like distressing, there is no better place than going to the on-site gym. The University of Plymouth and Plymouth College are only a 15-minute walk away from the Mary Parker House, helping you squeeze in those extra snores and making Monday mornings a little tolerable. We highly recommend you to explore all the great places Devon and Cornwall has to offer. As the property is located just a few minutes from the main railway station, you can travel and explore the city to no limits. So make this amazing student accommodation in Plymouth your new home away from home today by visiting amberstudent.com.